In a quiet suburban warehouse, a mid-sized dropshipper discovers a ledger of mismatched shipments that begins not with outrage, but with a perplexing calm. The scene shifts to a global map, where tiny dots pulse as orders reroute through an unplanned, experimental carrier that no one approved, creating a silent ripple across continents. As refunds pile up and customer complaints surge, a lone operator traces the anomaly to a single mislabeled SKU in a partner feed, a mistake that cascaded into weeks of chaos. In a tense sprint, the team negotiates with carriers, corrects the feed, and deploys a rapid containment plan to reroute pending orders before permanent damage occurs. The story ends with a hard-won lesson. Even tiny missteps in the dropship chain can rewrite an entire week of business, if not caught in time.